Let me show you how I was able to achieve this beautiful hairstyle you can see on my baby girl. So first of all, I'm going to start from the middle of her eyebrows and I'm going to slant it like a V shape, half V shape. So I'm going to just slant it. It's not going to be straight as you can see in the video. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to pat it out and I'm coming to this side as well. I'm going to pat it out. The goal here is to have a V shape. So I'm trying to create that V shape there. You can see my V shape is already here, so I'm just trying to make it to be very okay and neat. So I'm going to pack this back one. I'm not working with it now. So for this one, I'm going to spray some water to it and of course use my brush to brush it out. I've already added a hair cream to this hair and I've already detangled the hair as well. I'm just doing this so that it's going to be easier for me to braid. So I'm going to pat out one. That's the first one. I'm going to hold this one down as I'm not working with it now. I'm going to weave this one and I'm going to weave it all the way down to, so I'm going to weave it. Let me come a little closer so that you can see how my hands are, the movement of my hands or my fingers. So I'm going to weave it and I'm going to weave it all the way down. Once I get to the down part, I'm going to twist it. I don't like braiding my kids' hair all the way throughout because when loosening it is always a work for me. So what I do is that once I get to, let me just say 2 inches before the tip of the hair, I'm just going to twist it. So this is the first one and you can see how neat and beautiful it looks. So we're going to repeat that same thing again for the second one, the third one and the fourth one. I'm going to be having 4 weavings in this parted hair. So I'm going to braid the second one, the third one and the fourth one using the same pattern. I'll also twist it at the tip of the hair. I'm going to be showing you a slow motion on how I braid the hair like this. If this is your first time of seeing our videos, you're welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Here I do kids hairstyles. I make hairstyles for my girls. I have 3 daughters, so I make hairstyles for them. I video it and I upload it here. So in this channel you are going to be seeing more of kids hairstyle, and sometimes when I do my own hair I also show it. So if that's something you find interesting or you kind of like, do well to subscribe to our channel, like this video and drop a nice comment for us. So I'm already at the 4th one. You can see the 4th one is very small because the end there that's the place the sharp V is, so it's going to be small. I won't have to braid for long and that one will be done. So you can see it, you can see how it looks. We are done with this one, so I'm going to be adding beads to this because I want it to be beautiful. Children, their hairstyle, if you after making their hair and you added colors, it makes the hair to be more beautiful. So I'm just going to be adding beads to this since I won't be using butterfly clips or any other accessories. So I decided to just add only beads and I went for 4 different colors of bead. You can use the same color of bead if you want. I just want mine to be more colorful. So I'm just going to be adding beads and I added 4 beads to each of the braid. Now once I get to the end there, I'm going to fold her hair and then use rubber band to hold the bead. So once I finish putting the beads, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to start with the back. You can actually just pack the hair as a ponytail like this. It's also going to be very nice. So here I'm just going to be patting out big since I want it to be just big, I want to make a bubble hairstyle, so I want the bubble hairstyle to be very big, so I'm going to be parting out big sections. I'm going to hold this one down, then I'm going to spray some water to this, then I'm going to brush it out so that while brushing it out it won't be painful. That's why I spray the water. So after that, I'm going to hold it down with rubber band, just like you see. Then I'm going to hold it down again with rubber band. I'm going to be coming like 2.5 inches gap, and I'm going to hold it with rubber band. So I'm going to extend this one, since I just want each of them to have just 2 rubber bands. So after doing that, I'm going to part out another one. You can see I'm making use of semicircle. That's the pattern I want to use for parting this hair. So I'm going to part this one as well, and I'm going to repeat the same thing I did on the other one. Spray bottle, brush it out and use the rubber bands to hold it down. I'm not being too rough, please. In this video I'm not being too rough, is because I kind of speed up the video so that I won't waste a lot of time. So this particular video is on 2x speed, so it's going to be making the video to look as if I'm being rough or not being gentle. I'm going to hold this one down with rubber band here, move about 2.5 inches, and I'll hold another rubber band down. So for this one now, I'm going to part this one into 2. So the total number of parts that I have there is just 4. I have just 4 parts there, so I'm just going to part this one into 2 and repeat the same thing again. So once I finish doing that, you can see how it looks. You can actually leave it to be like this but I'm going to hold everything up and pack it up as a ponytail. I'm just going to do a ponytail up there. So after holding it down, I'm going to use my rubber band to hold everything down to secure whatever that I have there. So yes, this is it. I'm just going to use my fingers to puff out the ponytail so that the hair will look very beautiful. You can see the hairstyle. Do you like it? Are you going to be recreating this particular hairstyle? Let us know in the comments. Bye.